Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove decimal places in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in my Google Sheets, and for example, I'm going to remove the decimal places of this three-diameter column. So first of all guys, I'm going to select the column. Wait, I'm just going to select it, and we can go to this option, decrease or increase the decimal places. And since we want to remove the decimal places, we can go to the decrease decimal places option. And I'm going to decrease it until the decimal places have been totally removed from this column. Okay, now it's done guys. Now the decimal places have been removed from this three-diameter column. And if you want to get back the decimal places, you just need to select this one, increase decimal places, and you will get back the decimal places on your column. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove decimal places in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.